right, back to our election coverage as you decide the winners tonight.
The biggest race of the night was called less than an hour after the polls closed. Judge Janet Protasiewicz is now Supreme Court Justice-elect Protasiewicz after defeating former Justice Dan Kelly.
We have crews throughout our area tonight bringing you all the results and reaction.
Let's begin, though, with Ashley Sears. She is live downtown at Milwaukee's St. Kate Hotel with the Protasiewicz campaign.
Yeah, this is a very happy room tonight. Janet Protasiewicz took the stage a short time ago and thanked her supporters. This is a victory they've been working toward for the last year. The Democratic-backed judge crisscrossed the state, meeting with voters, telling them democracy was on the line. This race brought huge record-setting spending and a lot of national attention. Protasiewicz raised and spent $6 million more than her opponent. She will now be a part of a liberal majority in the state Supreme Court. That's something Wisconsin hasn't seen in 15 years. Tonight, she told supporters she decided to enter this race a year ago because she says she cares deeply about this state.
I saw that Wisconsinites were ready for common sense and fairness on their Supreme Court. Thank you, Kathy. They were ready to put aside the partisanship and put aside the extremism and to have an impartial court, and a court that makes decisions based on the law, not on a political agenda.
Protasiewicz's 10-year term starts in August. Reporting live downtown, Ashley Sears, FOX 6 News.
At a party that might go on for a while. Okay, Ashley Sears, thank you very much. One party that will not, Dan Kelly's. He surprised a lot of people when he won the conservative vote to advance out of the primary in February, but he has now lost his second campaign to sit on the Supreme Court.
His supporters gathered at Heidel House in Green Lake tonight, and Sam is there. And Sam, Dan Kelly had some, let's say, choice words for his opponent tonight.
Yeah, he sure did. He took the stage around 9:20 tonight, and a lot of times when you get to, again, the loser of a big contested race like this, it ends with grace. It ends with sure disappointment, but still grace. And really, that didn't happen here. It was a concession-style speech without a concession. Daniel Kelly really didn't hold back. And actually, Justice Rebecca Bradley, who introduced him, didn't either. She quoted Alexander Hamilton in saying that, the nation, the people should never have a reason to fear the judiciary. She says they do now, and that Wisconsin will suffer grave consequences. But really, the strongest, the sternest message came from Kelly himself in addressing his loss. Take a listen to what he had to say.
I wish that in a circumstance like this, I would be able to concede to a worthy opponent. But I do not have a worthy opponent to which I can concede. This was the most deeply deceitful, dishonorable, despicable campaign I have ever seen run for the courts.
Now, toward the end, and I'm quoting here, Kelly said, "This has been a beautiful, beautiful life here in Wisconsin with all of you. I wish Wisconsin the best of luck because I think it's going to need it." He then said, "Thank you," and walked off the stage. So it seems like a goodbye, and frankly, we don't know what's next for Kelly, but it is so clear. The frustration is strong here in Green Lake tonight. We're live in Green Lake. Sam Kramer, FOX 6 News.
Certainly did seem like a goodbye. We'll wait and see. Sam, thank you.